Imagine a vast, dark expanse, our solar system, but what if the planets could talk? What stories would they share? In this cosmic neighborhood, each planet has a unique personality, shaped by its place in history. The sun, ever radiant, is the quiet center, while the planets are lively, always observing and commenting on each other. Mercury zips by, Neptune drifts in the distance, and everyone notices every new crater or visiting spacecraft. This is the solar system's neighborhood watch, a family bound by gravity, full of chatter, rivalry, and support. Through their cosmic banter, we discover the wonders of our solar system as living stories, not just facts. Mercury darts in, voice quick and bright, as if it can barely wait to share its secrets. There's a glint of mischief in its tone, a planet that knows it's the fastest in the solar system and isn't shy about it. Finished another lap, can you keep up? Mercury teases, zipping around the sun with dizzying speed. While other planets take their time, Mercury is always in a hurry, never pausing for long. Closest to the sun, Mercury races through a year in just 88 Earth days, boasting about its speed. It's the sprinter of the solar system, always first across the finish line, always eager for the next race. No other planet can match its pace. Try living with one side scorching hot and the other freezing cold, no atmosphere, just craters and the sun's glare. Mercury's days are a test of endurance, with temperatures soaring to 800 degrees Fahrenheit on the sunlit side, then plunging to minus 330 degrees in the darkness. It's a world of extremes, where survival means adapting to the harshest conditions. Mercury wears its scars with pride, proof of resilience. Each crater tells a story of ancient collisions, of cosmic battles fought and survived. Unlike planets with thick atmospheres to shield them, Mercury stands exposed, taking every hit and emerging tougher each time. My day is longer than my year, sunrises last months. It's a strange life, but never boring. Imagine watching the sun crawl across the sky for weeks on end, shadows stretching and shrinking in slow motion. Mercury's world moves at two speeds, blisteringly fast around the sun, achingly slow as it spins. Mercury's contradictions, fast yet slow, hot yet cold, make it unforgettable. It's a planet of paradoxes, where nothing is ever quite as it seems. One moment it's racing through space, the next it's locked in a frozen, sun-baked silence. At least I have the best view of the sun's show, Mercury grins. From its vantage point, the sun is a blazing giant, filling the sky with light and energy. Solar flares and sunspots are daily spectacles, painting Mercury's horizon with fire. Always restless, always moving, Mercury is the solar system's energetic messenger. It carries the stories of the sun to the outer planets, a tiny, battered but unstoppable traveler, forever racing, forever shining in the sun's embrace. Venus glides in, voice sultry and proud. She's the talk of the solar system, and she knows it. With a shimmering golden glow, Venus commands attention, her presence impossible to ignore as she sweeps through the darkness, radiating confidence and mystery. Mercury, you think you're hot? Try being me, Venus teases, her words dripping with playful arrogance. Mercury may be closest to the sun, but Venus is the true queen of heat, outshining her neighbor in more ways than one. Venus, Earth's twin in size, is a world of extremes, thick, toxic clouds, crushing pressure and surface heat that melts lead. Imagine standing on her surface. The air is so dense it would crush a submarine, and the temperature soars to over 460 degrees Celsius. The clouds above swirl with sulfuric acid, painting the sky in perpetual orange twilight. My atmosphere traps heat, runaway greenhouse effect. No probe survives long here, Venus boasts, her tone both warning and proud. Spacecraft sent to explore her surface have lasted only hours before succumbing to her brutal environment. She's a planet that tests the limits of human engineering, and so far she's undefeated. Venus is the brightest planet in Earth's sky, inspiring poetry, but beneath the clouds lies volcanic chaos. Her surface is scarred by thousands of volcanoes, some possibly still active, hinting at a restless, fiery heart. For centuries she's been a muse for stargazers, yet her true nature is far more dramatic than any legend. I spin backward, my sun rises in the west, my day is longer than my year, but I do it with style. Venus's rotation is so slow and unique that a single day on her surface lasts longer than it takes her to orbit the sun. It's a cosmic fashion statement, unpredictable, unforgettable, and entirely her own. Venus is a dazzling enigma, beautiful yet deadly, always keeping her secrets close. Her thick clouds hide a world of extremes, and despite centuries of study, she remains one of the most mysterious planets in our solar system. She's a riddle wrapped in a golden veil. They call me the morning star and the evening star. I like to keep them guessing. Venus's brilliance at dawn and dusk has captivated humans for millennia, sparking myths and stories across cultures. She's a celestial celebrity, always in the spotlight yet never fully revealed. Venus, the solar system's mysterious diva. She's the planet everyone talks about but no one truly knows. With her beauty, danger, and allure, Venus will always be the hottest gossip in town. Earth joins, voice vibrant and full of life. Venus, it's not all about heat, it's about balance. Earth is the only planet teeming with life. Blue oceans, green forests, swirling clouds. Liquid water covers me, keeping things just right. Life thrives here, from microbes to humans. Earth's humans are curious, sending probes to neighbors and even walking on the moon. My moon is my companion, guiding tides and lighting my nights. Earth worries about its changing climate, hoping its inhabitants learn to care for their fragile home. My magnetic field and ozone layer protect life. It's a delicate dance. Earth, the solar system's living jewel, balancing chaos and harmony. Mars grumbles in, voice dusty and dry as if the wind itself is speaking through ancient canyons. The red planet has always been a source of fascination and mystery, its rusty hue catching the eyes of stargazers for centuries. Stories swirl about Mars, some true, some wild speculation, but all adding to its legendary status in our solar system. Balance? All that water just makes you rusty. Oh wait, that's me, Mars jokes, poking fun at its own iron-rich soil. The planet's surface is covered in a fine dust, giving it that iconic red color, a constant reminder of the chemical reactions that have shaped its face over billions of years. Mars, once warm and wet, is now a cold desert, its red surface a sign of lost potential. Long ago, rivers may have carved valleys and lakes may have shimmered under a pink sky. Today, the landscape is silent, marked by craters and canyons, whispering tales of a time when Mars might have been more like Earth. I had rivers, maybe life, but lost my atmosphere. The wind stripped it away, leaving me exposed and vulnerable. The dried riverbeds and ancient deltas are scars of a vanished era, hinting at the possibility that life could have once thrived here, protected by a thicker atmosphere and flowing water. Now, just frozen water and dust storms. The polar ice caps glisten in the weak sunlight, while massive dust storms can engulf the entire planet for weeks, painting the sky in shades of orange and red. Yet even in this harsh environment, Mars holds onto its secrets, waiting for explorers to uncover them. Mars isn't lonely. Earth's robots roam its surface, searching for clues to its past. Rovers like Curiosity and Perseverance crawl across the rocky plains, drilling into stones and sending back data, acting as the eyes and hands of humanity on another world. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding Mars's true story. Humans dream of visiting me. I see their ships in the sky, their plans and hopes written in the stars. The idea of setting foot on Mars has inspired generations, fueling science fiction and real-world missions alike. Someday, astronauts may walk these dusty plains, leaving footprints where only robots have roamed. I hope they bring water, and maybe a little warmth. The promise of finding liquid water, even in small amounts, keeps scientists searching, hoping for signs that Mars could one day support life again, or perhaps, that it never truly lost it. Mars boasts 2 small moons and the solar system's tallest volcano, Olympus Mons. This colossal mountain rises 3 times higher than Mount Everest, a testament to the planet's fiery past. Its moons, Phobos and Deimos, are tiny and irregular, but they circle Mars faithfully night after night. Phobos and Deimos aren't much, but they're mine, Mars says with a hint of pride. These little companions may be small, but they are unique, adding to the planet's character and mystery. Mars, a world of what-ifs, still full of wonders beneath the rust. Caves, canyons, and hidden valleys may yet hold surprises, waiting for the day when explorers finally arrive to unlock their secrets. I may be cold, but I'm not forgotten. As long as curiosity endures, Mars will remain a beacon for dreamers, scientists, and adventurers alike. Jupiter's booming voice fills the void. Moons, Mars, that's cute! Jupiter, the king of planets, is a swirling giant of gas, more massive than all others combined. I have nearly 100 moons, my own solar system. Io, Europa, Ganymede, Callisto, each unique. Jupiter's great red spot is a centuries-old storm, a symbol of power and energy. My rapid spin creates wild weather, I'm a masterpiece of motion. Jupiter's gravity shields the inner planets, acting as a cosmic protector. I've taken many hits for you all, it's a heavy responsibility, but I bear it with pride. Jupiter, the solar system's guardian and wise old king. Saturn's voice is graceful, airy. Jupiter, size isn't everything, elegance matters. Saturn is famed for its stunning rings, billions of icy particles forming a glowing halo. My rings are my masterpiece, reflecting sunlight in a cosmic display. Saturn is a gas giant less dense than water with serene golden hues and powerful storms. I have over 80 moons. Titan has lakes of methane, and Enceladus shoots geysers into space. Saturn's system is full of secrets waiting to be discovered. Other giants have rings, but none as grand as mine. Saturn, the solar system's artist, blending beauty and mystery. From the edge, two faint voices whisper, Uranus and Neptune. Uranus, the oddball, spins on its side, creating extreme seasons and peculiar weather. I'm the nonconformist, rolling along my orbit, content to be different. Neptune, deep blue and stormy, is the most distant, with the fastest winds in the solar system. The sun is just a bright star here, my storms are fierce, my world cold and dark. Neptune's moon Triton orbits backward, erupting nitrogen geysers. We're ice giants, strange, cold, and full of surprises. Uranus and Neptune, the solar system's mysterious recluses, keepers of distant secrets. Their whispers remind us how vast and varied our cosmic family truly is. As the voices fade, harmony settles over the solar system. Each planet, with its quirks and challenges, is a vital part of this cosmic family. Bound by gravity, they orbit the same star, their stories woven together. Jupiter shields, Earth thrives, Mars remembers, and the ice giants hold ancient secrets. Their banter is more than gossip, it's a celebration of diversity and unity. Together, they form a chorus, reminding us the universe is a community, not just a collection of worlds. The solar system, a family journeying together through the cosmos.